So for one reason or another, you have missing teeth. Maybe they were extracted due to cavities, or you lost them during childhood. So what happens, and what do you need to do? You know that you're required to have your teeth for the purposes of aesthetics, and also for function, like when it comes to chewing. So there are various ways to replace your teeth. The first thing, and the quick fix solution, is called a denture, which is quite cost effective. It can be done in like 2 appointments, but it's removable. The other thing is called a bridge. This one the doctor will advise, and they'll determine if you're fit for a bridge and how it needs to be done so that it doesn't affect your other teeth. And finally, you can also have an implant done. Now, all these solutions will depend on the cost, your budget, and how much you want to spend, and how many teeth are missing, and exactly where the teeth are located.